Real expectation inside this stadium here tonight, as Al Nassr go for yet another record in what has been an incredible season so far. He has been central to it, and he picked up the goal of the week. Al Nassr go for 10 in a row, and it's up here with Burak Inya. Young striker in a row was the Al Hilal team of 2019. But here's an early opportunity for Neri, and it's blocked, but the flag is then raised for alone at Al Ittihad last season. There's a brief sight of goal here again for Al Oqdoud, but again the flag is raised.
I think he's got a real big future at Al Ittihad. This is a great experience for him to play regularly.
It's back to Inja. That's an interesting ball in, and Burrell was lurking, and the back header from first corner of the game for Al Oqdoud. It's got to be down in front of Al Akidi. Brozovic was on the end of that. And that's a good ball. Angelo just behind Ronaldo, but here is Coman stepping inside, and it's a good save. Portugal in the wide area for Al Salem, and the cross deep towards Ronaldo, and he looks to the assistant, but this time the flag is not raised.
What a chance. Brendan Rodgers as an example for him how strong this league is becoming, that teams from the bottom can compete with teams from the top, and that certainly is a game where you would not expect it.
Brozovic in towards João Felix. Flip high towards Wood, showing his experience, but Al Amri steps in before Neri there, and he lets fly, but it's just wide. Coman. Abishal. That cross is gathered by Portugal at the second attempt. Coman. Cut back towards João Felix, Ronaldo, and they got at each other's way.
That time to get.
Yeah, looking to use his pace, he's got support in the area, but Neri may go alone, and it's a good save by Al Akidi. Very congested, but it's high towards Ronaldo! Off the crossbar, did it cross the line? Well, it's offside anyway, doesn't matter. Ronaldo will curl this, and it's a good save by Samuel Portugal. Maybe a good height for him, but he still has issues inside the area. Ronaldo is also there. João Felix with the delivery.
Defence, and they've not made things as easy as I thought it was going to be for Al Nassr this evening.
Wide towards Ali Al Salem. Tries to pick out Burrell. Al Amri goes to ground and gets enough on the ball. Here is Brozovic, but Al Salem wins it back. And here is Neri now on the edge of the penalty area. Strikes it well, but too close to Al Akidi. Here is Brozovic. The ball high toward. At the moment, it looks like in depth and with numbers, but so far they've been switched on every occasion. Ronaldo burst into the penalty area. It's blocked. Brozovic. Abishal back onto that right foot again, but the inswing. João Felix, space now inside the penalty area. He just tried to roll his studs over the ball, and Angelo. João Felix. Angelo continues his run. Now on the edge of the penalty area. João Felix on the ball. Here is Brozovic. Now Wesley. Coman was challenging. Now Brozovic. And again it's deep towards Ronaldo. High to the far post, and in the end, it's gone behind. At the moment, it looks like Wesley trying his luck now on the left. High to the far post, Coman. Angelo. Back towards Angelo again, and towards that near post, flicked on and in! And it's Ronaldo again! And it's no surprise at all that in And the quest for the perfect 10. It's Cristiano Ronaldo who comes. Wesley. Coman was challenging. High towards Neri. And Akidi doing well to fish else, despite the record that they've been putting up so far. And every game from wide initially. And now João Felix looks to pick out Ronaldo again. He dives in and he's penalised. He took 2 out.
See the eye contact.
Cause problems. Abushal with the missed kick there. Ashi. Wesley finding Abushal once again. It's a good run from him, but he just runs out of room. And minimum of 2 more minutes as Alba. Brozovic. Ronaldo waits in the centre, and there he is. Two for Ronaldo, and surely 10 wins in a row is now in the bag for Al Nassr. Another goal for Ronaldo, another record for Al Nassr. Well, the goal has been given, and that is half-time. So Al Nassr well on the way to 10 wins out of 10. Cristiano Ronaldo with both.
Match weekend, what an incredible season. Can they keep it up? And certainly the poor title defence.
And it's Cristiano Ronaldo who gets the second half underway. He scored both goals. Cristiano Ronaldo continues to really impress. He works the 1-2 there.
One in particular.
Ronaldo here, but it almost breaks 4 games. And Burrell will chase that back header there from Al-Ghanam. Al-Akidi. Almost a third goal. Coman hits the crossbar. A missed kick from Wesley. Nearly falls for João Felix. Wesley misses his kick completely. Looking to Burakinya. Wins it back here for Al. There could be some width here for Al-Okdu. Al-Salim. Well, here's an opportunity for Kramer, and he's gone beyond Al-Akidi. That's a penalty. And Al-Okdu have an opportunity here, but then the flag is raised. And now Wesley. We will get to see the automated or semi-automated offside. And the low cross in Martinez, and Goula central to it. It's whipped in. Al-Amri. Brozovic. He can set himself for the cross. João Felix. And it's too high. João Felix. Ronaldo waits in the centre. It's in towards Ronaldo. Abushal. Ronaldo was waiting. It's cleared as far as João Felix. And in the end, he's penalised, and he turns. Now an opportunity for João Felix to use his pace, and Al-Rubai's. Here is Kramer on the move again, and Al-Akidi comes out before the flag is raised with a flurry. Wesley. Crossing from Al-Ghanam, and there's Ronaldo! And it's his first hat-trick since May of 2024 in the Russian Saudi League. His 7th for Al Nassr in the Russian Saudi League. And a moment of history for so many. Guarantee one thing, that unless there's an injury, I don't think Ronaldo will be coming off before the end of the long part or much of this season. Now the shot from João Felix. Did he take a deflection on the way through? Able to break into the penalty area here. Back to João Felix! And that finishes things off. And that concludes a record-breaking night for Al Nassr. The perfect 10. The only team in Russian Saudi League history